First planet is Moon. Second planet is Sun. Third planet is Mercury. Fourth planet is Venus. Fifth planet is Earth. Sixth planet is Mars. Seventh planet is Jupiter. Eighth planet is Saturn. Ninth planet is Uranus. 10th planet is Neptune. 11th planet is Pluto. First planet is Moon. The Moon is the Earth's largest natural satellite. Second planet is Sun. Without the Sun, Earth could not support life. Third planet is Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sun. Fourth planet is Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Fifth planet is Earth. Earth is the fifth largest planet in the universe. Sixth planet is Mars. Mars is the red planet. It orbits the Sun every 687 Earth days. Seventh planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest and most massive planet. Eighth planet is Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet in our solar system and it the second largest planet. Ninth planet is Uranus. Uranus is blue in color due to methane gas in its atmosphere and third largest planet in our solar system. 10th planet is Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun is our solar system. This giant frigid planet has a hazy atmosphere and strong winds. 11th planet is Pluto. Pluto is the second largest now dwarf planet in the solar system.